How to delete Snapchat call history. So if you want to delete your Snapchat call history, then first open up your Snapchat application, and then you need to go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and tap on settings, which is on the upper right. And once you're on the settings, you need to scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you may have clear data option under your privacy controls. So you need to go for your privacy control, and then here you will have delete my data or clear data option. So if you have the clear data option, then you need to simply tap on the clear data, and then you need to clear all of your data on your Snapchat. And once you clear your data, your call history will be deleted. Or you can go for clear cache and clear your cache, and then do the same thing with the every clear button. Tap on clear conversation and then clear your conversation, and then you can clear your AI data, and then you can clear your search history, your astrological birthday, but you don't need to clear that one, and then your recent products. And once you've cleared all of that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can delete your Snapchat call history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.